got a cab high fiberglass ARE V series. It's a 9906 Chevy GMC full-size truck, Sierra Silverados, with the 6.5 foot bed. It's a little bit rougher unit. It does have a lot of nicks and scratches and chips and stuff on it. Has a little bit of, the back door has been tweaked a little bit. Previous owners repaired it, but it seems to open and close okay, but it has been tweaked. Has some chips down through here. A couple scratches there. It's an older unit. It's been definitely used its life. A couple scratches up there. Down through here. There's a lot of speckles, spots on here where the paint's kind of speckled off of this. Down on the bottom edge. Doesn't look bad from a distance, but up close you see a lot of them there. Yeah, like I said, from a distance it's not that easy to see them. That's a third side slider in the side. The front has some scratches. It does have a picture window in the front. Has some scratches there. Some chips up there on the top. Some more there. Some bugs there. A couple more scratches and chips there. Like I said, it's got the picture window in the front. Has some chips on the top there, you can see. Spot there on the top, a couple of them. Some more chips right there. And some down in there. But like I said, it's not horribly bad. It's going to be a less expensive unit. Mostly because of condition. Third side sliders on the side here as well. Screens have some holes in it, pretty good hole in the screen. The windows seem to work just fine. They slide. Screens aren't bad up here, but they're pretty good hole through there. Don't see a lot of stains. A little bit of stains there in the front corner, so probably leaks a little bit on that window. Not seeing too much. A couple streaks there in the middle on this one here, so probably leaks down that a little bit. Screen on this side just got a small tear in it there. Small hole down there. You can't really see it, but it's right there. Does have the clothes rod hanger. Pulls down so you can hang some your clothes on there. Then locks back up in place. There it is. Cab high fiberglass ARE V series. It's 9906 Chevy GMC trucks, Silverado Sierras with a 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it's at, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. All that stuff can be done that way there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, things like that, those can be purchased online as well. As with all our units, these are local pickup only. We do not ship these. If you want to have them shipped, you'll have to make arrangements with some sort of a carrier to pick them up, or a person to pick that up for you. We do not ship them. Thanks for watching.